Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. Everyone is healthy and safe, maintaining the quarantine, social distancing, and all those things. So let's start for today. Today we are going to talk about creating innovative slides. Okay, so you will let me know which practical is this. Okay, so just one lecture for today. So I'll just give you orientation about. Okay, uh, basic an idea of how to make innovative slides. See, innovation is something very individualistic to everyone. So, what I say might not be applicable to everyone, but more or lessly, I know the best method of teaching is still the whiteboard or the blackboard teaching. But with technology, we sometimes have to use it. It's boon or bane both. It's good or bad both. It has good points and bad points both. But PowerPoint is a powerful tool where you can design slides, you can represent your ideas very nicely. And with more advancement of technology, it is becoming more and more evident that how to create innovative slides. Now, you all have attended sessions, you all have attended classes, so it gets little boring when the slides are dull. I agree. So, little bit basic of innovation you should know. So this is how the normal interface looks like. Mine is a little advanced because I do publishing and all those things. But more or less, it'll look like this to most of you. Okay. So first thing we need to see is the home button. Okay. So the first of all, you decide your content. Okay. Then you can go for designing different types of slides, title slide, title and content slide, section headers, different things. So I'll just first tell you the basic thing that you should know. Whenever I see students presenting, they have two basic issues. One is making the slide. Second is presenting it. So always remember, this is the slideshow. You have put in a lot of effort and you came with the laptop, but you're not able to present it. So always remember to click this page so that it goes into the slideshow mode. An escape key will take it out, or I'll do it again. Push on the slideshow, and here you can and the show. Okay, this you can also do through slideshow, which is on the top where my cursor is. You go there and you can start from beginning. Okay, so you can again start and you can end the show. So this is the basic thing that you need to know. Apart from that, you have new slides, you have layout, you have resets, you have different designs are there. Okay, so you can use multiple different types of design. Okay, this is the one which I've created myself. Okay, so similarly you can see, okay, different types of designs you can design. Okay, so let me select a few for you. Okay, let's see, the designs are changing. Okay, so different designs again you can select. From here you can select the size of the slide. Might not be available in all the PowerPoints, the standard size, the widescreen size. Okay, then you can even format the background. This is the one which I've used to put a picture at the slide. So I cannot demonstrate everything. Okay, you can see here, these are all the points. Okay, so let's go back to this. And now let's just see the second option, that is insert. So let's just try for a slide. Okay, so I decided to go for a blank slide. Okay, now I go for design and I choose, okay, now this is not the perfect design for me, I want something like this. Okay, so I got this. Okay, now I want to insert something here. Basically I have lots and lots of options. I can insert a audio, I can insert a video, I can insert a text box. Okay, I can simply insert uh, so many things I can insert into the into the slide. I can insert a table, I can insert my Excel sheet here, I can insert icons, I can insert, okay, shapes, I can insert different forms of things. Okay, now the second thing is draw, which we usually don't do because this is not a touch screen and we don't have it. Third thing is design, which I showed you. Okay, you can select as you want, you can change the design. Okay, here the design is again changed. Next goes for the transitions. Okay, now let's take an example. Okay, so insert. Okay, let me insert a text box. Okay, and let me write something here. Fine. Now transition basically means how I want this slide to come. Okay, so this is a transition. Okay, so if I click on slideshow from the beginning, the next slide will fade into it. So this is, you can put not just for the slide, you can even put it for the words. You might have seen in different presentations, when they click, it comes. You can put sounds, you can put click, you can put automatic. So different things, again, you can try it. Animations, again, okay, you can try it for this. So this will fly in, floating in. So different ways you can have, and again you can time it. Slideshow, I told you, is the most important component of it. Okay, because here is where you will run the show, where you will run the slideshow. Okay, and review is just for checking the spellings, the grammar. It's a wonderful thing. If you open it up, I'll just show you. So this will basically tell me this is wrong, so I need to correct it. Okay, I can compare it with dictionaries, different things which you can insert. And uh, okay, this is where you can view as your presentations as different ways. I'll just show you one. Okay, so this is reading mode. Now it's into the reading mode. Okay, you can have it in handout masters, and different ways you can have it. Okay, then you of course have help by Microsoft Office, which is very helpful. Okay, so this is just few ways you can design the presentation. Okay, so I'll just summarize it up. The two most important things you need to know is how to design. So home is the most important component. Okay, where you can go for view slides, different types of slides. Fine. Second important thing is design, where you can select different types of designs. Okay, fine. Then you have animations, then you have slideshow, where you can slide your show, where you can start your show. That is very important. Okay, and then finally is the save button. So here you can go into save as, and save this PPT as a particular, by a particular name. Okay, so this is all about creating innovative slides. Now innovation can be anything. You can put photos, you can put diagrams, you can put audios, you can design, okay, floating it in, you can design different ways. Okay, so I hope everybody understood it. It's the most basic way I can, in the shortest way I can make you understand. Okay, thank you so much. Any queries, again, most welcome. Try to complete the Google form. It's just a way of knowing that you are studying or not. And might, as the exams are getting postponed, as the exams are upcoming, so we might get a chance that might be evaluation through assignments and all those things. Okay, thank you so much for listening.